Victorinox Swiss Army Knife, classic Alox, made in Switzerland, the box. Oh, it's inside, it's there. Oh, it's so small. Really? Wow. I have the mini champ here. The color is really interesting. Wow. Let's see. Oh, it's so super thin. Wow. The mini champ and the classic XD, both Alox, less than half the size. It's written here Victorinox on it. It's really so tiny, it's really precious. And the logo and this pattern, this is really so tiny. Okay, let's see. Blade, writing on it. Victorinox Swiss made stainless. Nail file and screwdriver. Could also use it as a pick, oil, scissors. There's not much in the classic SD. Really nice as a gift, also keychain friendly.